Hey guys, and welcome to another Art Inspirations. We are doing the final video of Mermay, which is kind of sad but kind of awesome at the same time. It's been a lot of work to do this. So with that said, day number 27 was of, once again, a pose practice. I found a picture on the internet of a young woman swimming with her reflection above her, and I really liked how it looked, and so I used that as reference for day number 28. I wanted to do kind of a classical practice, so I looked at and found one of my favorite paintings, which is called A Mermaid by John William Waterhouse, which is, if you have not seen the original, it is an incredible painting. I love it so much. It's one of those paintings that just tells a story, and that's what I really loved about it, and so I did the best that I could to kind of replicate it in my style, which I did not as well as I wish I could have. But that's the point. Practice is what makes us get better. Practice is what helps us to become the best artists that we can be, and so I really enjoyed doing this. I loved doing kind of a little bit more unique art than I might normally be doing. And it was really fun to do this and to see that, and how it kind of turned into a really beautiful work of art. I don't know, I love painting old paintings, and I love seeing very old-fashioned illustrations. They're something that inspires me. As I always say, I love illustration, and so that was definitely something. There's just a beautiful illustration style to it that I loved. This next picture that was for day number 29, I do not know what happened, but the file got corrupted or something, and so I did not have the video of that one, so I'm sorry about that. And the next one, so the day after that, was day 30, and sorry, my voice is dying, as it often does in videos for some reason. But on this one, it was a harder day when I did this painting. It was kind of one of those moments. On my Instagram I have a little bit more of the writing with it, but it was the fact of, I thought about, it would be kind of awful to be a mermaid in one way, because when you cry, you don't feel like you've cried. You don't actually feel tears on your cheeks. You don't actually feel kind of that humanness to crying. And I thought about how sad that would it would make it even worse to cry, because you wouldn't actually feel like you're crying. You would know that you're in pain, but you don't actually cry tears. And I thought that was just such an interesting thought, and such an interesting dynamic of the fact of living in the ocean, being a mermaid, that a lot of times we think it must be this amazing thing, and maybe it's not all it's cracked up to be. And not to say to stop dreaming of being a mermaid, because I know that I sure wish I could be. I'd love to swim down to the deepest depths. And finally, for the last day of Mermay, day 31, I wanted to do a prince going down to this girl who is a cursed mermaid. So she's actually a human that was cursed to be a mermaid, and the fact that this prince is falling in love with her, and all these people, or all these merfolk, know that she is a, not necessarily a real mermaid, but the fact that she's cursed and that he still loves her for it. And so that was kind of the inspiration behind that last day of Mermay. Hey guys, so that is the end of Mermay, the last day. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. It took a little bit to get this one done. I kind of screwed up on his face a little bit, but I'm really happy with the end result of this. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this Mermay, seeing the different things that I have done, and hopefully it's inspired you to keep doing art, to do these different challenges. They help so much. I'm 100% sure I did not do people as well before I started this as I do now. And it's just incredible to see how far everything has come over each week and each day. And I'm almost filled this whole sketchbook. Okay, there's a few sketches in between. But most of them, if not all of them, are Mermay throughout this whole thing. So that, whoa, let's see here. where was our first day? There is the first day of Mermay. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing all of these. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more. Let me know what other challenges you'd like me to do, if there's different monthly challenges or any other kind of challenges, let me know. So there's that. Also remember, when we hit 50 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway of this little guy to one of you lucky subscribers. So remember that. Stay incredible, stay amazing. Here's some more videos over here, and yeah, just remember, you guys can do anything. Chase your dreams. Keep being amazing. Have a great day, guys.